We have just acquired this Mercedes. It's the E250 AMG Sport. It's in absolutely amazing condition. It is absolutely stunning. It drives superb, that's all I can say. It's lovely. As you can see, it's got running daylights, it's got front park distance control, it's got full AMG body styling kit and twin spoke AMG alloy wheels. Paintwork is magnificent, very classy looking car. It's got rear park distance control as well. Boot area, not used or abused, absolutely lovely condition. Look at those seats, perfect. Artica leather with Alcantara trim and white stitch piping. Electric windows, electric mirrors, folding mirrors, partial leather seats. As you can see there, it's in absolutely stunning condition. It's got automatic headlights, it's got paddle shift on the gearbox or fully automatic, it's got cruise control just to start the car, it's got satellite navigation, so again we've got satellite navigation, got 3-stage heated seats, it's got media pack, let's have a look. So we've got Bluetooth connectivity, radio, discs, climate control. That is absolutely freezing cold actually. Just trying to bring the mileage up here. It's done 90,370 miles. All the space there for your cup holders. Storage space and armrests there. iDrive positioning system. Visual park distance control. At DJH with full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give me a call on 07 503 751 005. Thank you.